y'all, so today we are going to do an oil change on a 2013 Jeep Wrangler Sport. Getting everything set up here, y'all, as y'all can see. Got my funnel, my oil pan. So basically what I'm going to show y'all guys, man. You're going to take off your little plastic covering here. Just put it to this side. Boom. Out the way. Now here is where your filter is. So I'm gonna go ahead and snatch that off, change that, come back in a second, show y'all what to do. Alright, so here we are. You got the oil drain pan here. This is what I'm gonna be taking off, that bolt right there. Let's get it. Still looking for a bolt to take off the filter, but here we are in the oil pan. Let's do it. So y'all, like I was saying, the oil filter right here, you're gonna have to use a 15-16 size socket with either a little wrench like we got here. But so you're just gonna proceed to loosen it up. It's tight, but you just come here, loosen it up. I think now I can get it with my hand. And this is where the oil filter is, y'all. All right. So there it is. I'm just gonna replace that seal and the filter itself. I'll come back and show y'all what the new one looks like. All right. All right, y'all. So you're gonna get a seal, and you're gonna get the new filter here. This part is a part that goes into the part that screws in. So I'll show y'all how that works. All right, so like I said, we're gonna just take out the old filter here, like so. Place that down, safe place. And we're going to attempt to grab this seal here. Probably should use a tool or something, but let me see if I can pry it out with my finger. Well, I'm struggling. Let me get something. Pry it out with. All right, y'all, so I had to get a screwdriver to get the gasket out of here. I just couldn't grab it with my finger. So take it off. Got your old gasket. And got a new one here. Slide it on. Rub it down a little bit with the oil that's already on here. Should be good enough. And you go in, and you're gonna connect this side of the filter in into here, like so. Just gonna snap into place. Now it's in there good. Then we can come back here and just replace it. Brand new filter going in. Pushing it down, screwing it in with my hand tight as I can. Then we're gonna hit it with the 5/16 size socket, wrench or socket. And that's how you do the oil change, guys. You fill it up with your oil. You need 6 quarts of oil and you're good to go. All right. So the type of oil you're gonna need for this particular vehicle, 2013 Jeep Wrangler, is the 5W20. The brand is up to you. We're not gonna get into all of that, but I got the high. All right, so like I said, y'all, we just did an oil change in the 2013 Jeep Wrangler. This is specifically a 2-door, but it's gonna be the same process. We use 6 quarts of oil. High mileage 5W20, that's what you're gonna need for your Jeep. We also got the matching filter here. Shows y'all how that works. You But yeah, that's all to it, man. Real simple, by far the easiest oil change that I've ever done in my experience of oil changes. Thank y'all for watching this Emerald with Emerald's Jeep journey. We got a lot of trail rides coming up, a lot of great things. Shout out to my granddad as well, holding the camera, and also advising me every time, man, that I'm wrenching. Thank y'all. Till next time.